Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I will show you how to make pure chicken oil using just the fat around the tail and gizzard. No added skin, no onions, just clean golden oil the natural way. This is the fat most people throw away, but we're about to turn it into liquid gold. I started by collecting the soft yellow fat around the chicken tail and gizzard. These are the richest part of chicken fat. You want to chop them into small bits like this. It helps them melt faster and more evenly, especially if you are adding skin. Next, place your chopped fat into a dry pan. No oil, no water. Set the heat to low and let the fat slowly melt. As the fat melts, it will release a beautiful clear oil. Make sure you stir every few minutes to avoid burning. This process usually takes around 15 to 30 minutes depending on the amount of fat. Once the fat solid becomes golden brown and crispy, your oil is ready. Turn off the heat and let it cool slightly. Then strain it through a fine sieve or clean cloth into a dry clean container. Look at that, pure chicken oil. No additives, just flavor. Let it cool completely. Then cover and store in the fridge for up to 2 weeks or freeze it for longer shelf life. It will harden slightly in the fridge. That is totally normal. Use this oil in fried rice, stew, vegetables, or even to fry eggs. It adds a rich chicken flavor without needing any bouillon cubes or seasoning powder. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Drop a comment below if you want more zero waste chicken hack. Thanks for watching.